lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just want
Finished work today and I thought I should go to the bulk barn to get some of the Valentine's Day stuff for my Valentine's orders before they get picked over. So I bought this chocolate mold, little hearts. I'm probably gonna melt some pink chocolate and put them in that. We got some pink chocolate, some mini peanut butter cups. I need these for the cakesicles, and some variety of pink and white and red sprinkles. They didn't have any Valentine's like mixes, so I'll just make my own. I got these love hearts with little sayings on them. And then the last thing in here is these marshmallow shaped hearts. So that's it. That way I'll have a few different things to pick from when decorating for everything. Won't have as many orders as I had for Christmas, my Christmas orders, but I didn't want that. Like, I was gonna draw the line, maybe half the amount of orders I did for Christmas, so that's good. Yeah, so I'm just on the way home now, and I'll check in with you in a little bit.
you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So it's the last vlog of the month. I successfully vlogged every day this month. Some of the days I combined the footage, but I vlogged every single day this month. So I'm really proud of myself. I vlogged every day, and if you guys liked it, let me know down below. I won't be vlogging every day in February because I do have a few more cake orders than normal in February, so it'll be a little bit busier. I just wanted to finish the vlog off because once I get home, I'm gonna edit and upload this. I just left spin class and I went with one of my coworkers. We both did way better than we did last week. This was our second class going. I would say last week was really, really hard, and this week was only really hard. My butt didn't hurt this time. So if you're thinking about going to spin class and you're nervous, just go try one, bring a friend. We did an express class last week and this week, and they're only 30 minutes long, so I'll probably go again next Tuesday. Yeah, so I'm glad I went, and I got my workout done for the day. I just wanted to end the video here before I got home and before it got too dark out to vlog. But if you enjoyed me vlogging every day, definitely let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And I did want to announce that I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I think I have like 4,700. So once I reach 5,000, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I'm going to try to upload weekly instead of daily. So stay tuned for that. So I'll see you in the next video.